In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to crop an image so it takes on a specific shape, whether it be a circle, star, heart, or any other shape, in Microsoft Word. This is a nifty trick that can really enhance the visual appeal of your documents, giving them a unique and polished look. So let's dive in and get started with the process, which is simple yet effective. First, you'll want to insert the image into your Word document, or if it's already there, select the image you'd like to work with. You can add a new image by heading over to the Insert tab and choosing Pictures. Once your image is on the page, clicking on it will bring up the Picture Format tab. Next, with your image selected and the Picture Format tab open, locate the Crop function in the Size group. You'll see a small arrow under the Crop option. Click on that. This step is vital because it's where you'll start shaping your image. Once you click, a drop-down menu will appear, and from there select Crop to Shape. You'll see a whole gallery of shapes to choose from. Pick the one that suits your needs. After applying the shape, you might want to fine-tune how the image fits within that shape. You have a couple of options here. Clicking on Crop again gives you the choice between Fill and Fit. Choosing Fill will make the image fill the entire shape, though some parts of it might get cropped out. Alternatively, selecting Fit ensures the entire image fits within the shape, although you may see some blank space around the edges. It's a matter of preference, depending on the look you're going for. If the image isn't positioning quite right within the shape, don't worry. With the crop handles visible, you can simply drag the image around to adjust the visible part. Or, if you want to resize the shape itself, just drag the shape handles. Once you're happy with how everything looks, click outside the image or hit the ESC key to finalize your changes. Let's finish up with a few extra tips. If you're aiming for a perfect circle, select the oval shape under Crop to Shape. You can then use Crop followed by Aspect Ratio and select 1:1 to ensure it's a true circle. Sometimes, the Crop to Shape option can seem elusive. If that happens, double-check that your image layout isn't set to in line with text. Switching to a floating layout using Wrap Text will make sure the cropping tools are available. Lastly, remember that Crop to Shape only works with predefined shapes. If you want to create something custom, Word doesn't support that directly through cropping, but you might explore options like Remove Background or using a shape fill as a workaround. And there you have it. With these steps, you can transform any image in your Word document into a shape of your choice, adding flair and creativity to your projects effortlessly.